how to display achievements in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable and turn it on. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So we're in this settings interface. Here on the left, you'll be able to see features and privacy. Simply tap on features and privacy. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find an option called display achievements. So make sure that this is turned on and enabled. So what does this do? Here you'll be able to see all the achievements that you have done throughout the game. So this is a roadmap that you can verify and later you can even track it. Now you can go back and it's all saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.